Hello. In this short video, we're just going to demonstrate a few of the new features in version 3.5.5 of Iris. So you can see here on your help menu and the version history, you get the latest release or version history. So what I'm going to demonstrate, just a few cool new things here. First one is the common name import. For those of you who like to improve the data quality of your taxa with common names, then this is a fantastic new feature. And the second thing I will show you is the report filters, which is something that people have been asking for a while, and I think you will find that quite a handy little feature. So let's do the data import first. So what I've done here is that I've prepared a spreadsheet beforehand. So I'm going to open that up here. So basically I have here a report with, or a spreadsheet with the taxon names and with its common name. And then these are English common names. And then I am going to assign all of them rank 2. That means that they will automatically not be, if I rank them as 1, they will go on the labels. So this way I can just go and check them afterwards. So this spreadsheet is quite long actually. It's actually 3,000. So by putting in X here, I can tell the data import that I will ignore it if the taxon name doesn't exist. So that's quite handy. So you don't need to check. So this list can then be, I will only add taxon name to taxa I have in my collection. So let's just quickly see how that works. So I'll just close that and then go back to Iris and go down to maintenance, data import, and then open file, and then we're going to go straight into my documents, and I have here under, put it under here, I think, yeah. So here we got the list. So I'm going to open that up. So, and just press OK. And then the system will munch away and check that everything looks okay. So I think we had about 3,000, I can't remember, but that doesn't matter. It will take a few, well, I don't know, a minute or two, depending on your set. Yeah, and here you see now that we got a list of taxon or common names, and then I can check all that. So these are down here. You can see that's 1,429 names. So if I accept that now, it will be added to my data, and then I can go through them in the taxa screen to make sure that the ranking is correct. So that's one feature I wanted to show you this today. And then the second one, that is what we call report filters. So if I go to the report screen, and let's say I want to run a report on all the jobs, all the tasks that I have as pending. So if I do all the tasks that are open and that is owned, I'm just logged in as admin in this case, obviously. So if I now run that one, I will get a list. So I have all these tasks that I need to do, the determination check and add GPS coordinates. So what I can do is I can close that again, and then you see here saved filters. There's no saved filters here now, but if I click here, and then I just can call it my tasks, my open tasks, and I don't need anything else. And sharing, that means that you can share your filters so that they can be used by the whole organization. So maybe you have some reports you run regularly, and that's then really handy to have that set up, especially if you collection specific information like genus or that type of information. But this one I'll make private. and then I'm going to save that one. Now if you see here, you have it there, and if I clear the screen now, next time I come in, I can just click this one and say, and then all these filter criteria will be filled in. So this is available for all the reports, and yeah, I think that is going to be quite handy for many of you. Other things worth mentioning on this new version is just small minor things. There's some really cool feature for Garden Explorer for those who have that, and that's probably it. So thank you for watching, and look forward to hearing what you think.